How to layer photos on Instagram Story. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on Your Story. You can add pictures and videos from your camera roll to your story over here. You can also take videos or pictures to add to your story. Now, select a picture from your camera roll to add to your story here. Then, go to the Edit options at the top and tap on the sticker icon. Here, you can view all available stickers on Snapchat. You can also add location, link, questions, etc. Now tap on the photo option from here. You can choose any photo from your camera roll. Tap on a picture to add that to your story and place it above the previous one. Now go back to the sticker icon and repeat the same steps again. Place another photo over the previous one. You can keep doing this for as many layers as you want. Following these steps, you can easily layer photos on Instagram Story.